I am glad that when I screw up on my job, I don't have to go sit in front of Congress and then not answer questions. But I guess when your job is protecting political figures and you fail at your job, that is what happens. I figured since there were several things happening today, I would put in a quick update. Welcome to the Roundup, True Crime with Mike. Here I give you an update to current cases so you can quickly catch up on today's or this week's happenings on some public cases. Before we get to Cheatle's testimony before Congress, let's recap the quick hearing today in the Karen Reed case. When we had last left it, the jury was deadlocked and a mistrial declared. In between trials, it came out that the jury may have thought Karen was not guilty of two of the three charges against her. They were the murder 2 charge and leaving the scene of the accident. There have been affidavits from some of the jury members saying that, so the defense filed a motion to dismiss those specific charges. So there was some hope by people that the motion would be heard today. But the oral arguments for that motion will be heard August 9th at 2 p.m. Judge Cannone also scheduled Karen's new trial for January 27th and talked about when they would finish up pretrial hearings for it. So now we have to wait until the August 9th arguments. In a case that I'm going to start covering, the Black Swan murder trial is starting today, I believe. Today was jury selection. Ashley Benefield is accused of killing her husband, Doug, though her defense is that it was stand her ground. Ashley is saying that she was abused and that she shot him out of self-defense. The state of Florida says no. It is called the Black Swan because Ashley used to be a ballerina dancer. So now, getting back to the big story today, Kimberly Cheatle, who is the head of the Secret Service, was before Congress to answer questions about the Secret Service's failures in the assassination attempt on Donald Trump. But I'm not sure answering questions was in her today. Her main argument for most questions was that the investigation was still in progress and that she didn't want to say anything wrong, so waiting till the 60-day time frame when a report will be released. It's one of the few times that both sides of the aisle agree on something, and they ripped Cheatle and her evasion to answer anything specific. Both sides said she should resign or be fired by the end of the week. Nobody could understand how a 20-year-old could get close enough and on a high enough ground to take shots at a former president and president candidate. He was spotted with a rangefinder prior to the incident and was just lost. So we'll see if she quits or tries to stay with her job. Thank you for joining me for this quick update. I will be doing episodes on the Ashley Benefield case starting hopefully tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening to an episode of The Roundup. Be safe out there, and remember, don't do anything bad that will end up on one of my episodes.